3rd, the Allen County Sheriff is investigating the abduction of 2 children from Fort Wayne, Indiana. Liliana Hernandez is a 7-year-old white female, 3 feet 4 inches tall with long brown hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing a black nightgown. Renee Pastor is a 6-year-old white male, 3 feet tall, short brown hair, brown eyes, and was last seen wearing black shorts. The children were last seen at 6:21 a.m. in Fort Wayne and are believed to be in extreme danger. Fort Wayne is 125 miles north of Indianapolis. Allen County Sheriff believes the children were likely abducted by their non-custodial mother, Amber Pastor, a 29-year-old white female, 5 feet 6 inches tall, 250 pounds, with long blonde hair. Suspect vehicle is a Mercury Mystique, tan in color. If you have any information on these children, contact the Allen County Sheriff at 260-449-7661.
In your house.